Hi everyone! For today's video, we will celebrate Water Festival, which marks the beginning of Thai New Year at Pattaya! Let's go! Songkran is a Thai traditional New Year which starts on April 13th to 15th every year. Songkran means movement or changing. It is also called the Water Festival, and water is believed to flow and wash away all sins during this time. We initially planned to take the bus at Ekamai Terminal. It would cost around 180 baht with 3 to 4 travel hours. But since it's the biggest festival here in Thailand, it is expected that there will be a lot of people queuing at the bus terminal. So we decided to book a taxi using the Bolt app. I highly recommend Bolt app, especially for first-time travelers, because it's convenient and safe to use. Tollways are free during Songkran, so you'll be able to save money and time while traveling. You can also choose which vehicle to book depending on the number of passengers with the amount that you have to pay and the estimated time of arrival. It will prevent you from paying for a pricey taxi. A month before the festival, we also booked an overlooking sea view with free breakfast for 3 days and 2 nights. It is advised to have early bookings because hotels tend to get fully booked weeks before the holiday. There are a lot of restaurants, hotels, clubs, convenience stores, flea and street markets, and ATM machines around the street nearby the beach. You'll be serenaded by the beautiful sunset by the beach, which most of the people enjoy and love witnessing about. Hi everyone! So we are here at Pattaya Beach witnessing the sunset. Sunset here is very nice. A lot of people are here to witness the sunset and as well as enjoy the beach also. It is the center of marine activities like water sports and sunbathing.
One thing you shouldn't miss.
Is to take pictures of the trees, the beach, the sunset, and all of the attractions that you can see. Just over 7 kilometers off coast of Pattaya, you can already reach a little island called Kohlarn. We took a speedboat at the pier and paid 300 baht round-trip fare for a 20-minute ride. You can also try the cheapest transport and pay 30 baht at Bali High Pier ferries. We really enjoyed the clear blue water and white sandy beach. We also rented beach chairs for 100 baht and they also serve food and drinks at the restaurant by the beach. As the sun sets, we are now ready to celebrate the iconic Water Festival. Tourists and locals join mass-friendly water fights with street parties featuring loud music. People collect water in buckets, squirt guns, and anything else they can find, then hit the streets to playful splash each other. I highly recommend that you order water guns ahead because it tends to get very pricey during Songkran. And if ever you go to walking Street Pattaya, beware of the overpriced motorcycle transport. I suggest you walk and enjoy the street as it is more fun interacting with everyone. It is really a night to remember. We concluded our Pattaya trip by visiting the magnificent wooden castle by the sea. The Sanctuary of Truth is the largest wood building in Thailand that used only wood to build it as the ancient Thai carpenter style. Inside the sanctuary, there are wood statue and wood carving pieces that tell the philosophy of life. You can book your tickets ahead or walk in. For us, we booked ahead online and paid 375 baht. The schedule for English tour is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. You will be advised to wear hard hats while inside the museum.
So the reason why we need to wear a helmet inside the museum is under construction process, so this is for our safety.
There are also museum staff that will take your photo and you can buy your photo with picture frame for 250 baht. There are also a lot of activities that you can do like elephant ride for 400 baht, banana feeding for 100 baht, horse ride for 300 baht, and horse carriage for 200 baht. We had our lunch at the World Cities themed shopping mall, Terminal 21. It is famous for the food court Pier 21, which is loved for its quality, wide choice, and affordability of food. There's still a lot of tourist destinations that you shouldn't miss when you travel to Pattaya. One thing is for sure, we'll be back to see those places. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next vlog!